Nicki Minaj told Derrick
Derrick,
no more lions for him.
Derrick, all the lion me send you, you can open 50,000 bombaclad zoo and I'm going with yourself. So me not hear you right now.
No, it done.
Me know it done.
Me tell me if you pay money,
Me know it done.
but then I tell you, me I guess out. I'm here and every night asleep. I have to pay how much money a night.
And who there around you that not have no sense to help you manage your money? Because if you got people around you with sense, you would have had your own place right now. That manure.
Every time Nicki give me pay my bills them. I don't know if to do with it.
Amen, pretty darn. What the fuck?
Every time Nicki give me pay
What
my
the fuck you supposed to do?
Nicki, me pay.
Then say you buy up young... What? Eh?
No pay them, I saw them stay, I saw them, you're not, I saw them stay, I saw them bring me now, I saw them bring me now, but now look on them. Now look on them people, I saw them stay with them.
They said Jada gave you money too, and you know, and still you have bed in a bomber storage.
Nicki, you know, me got the money from Jada came a long time before.
So where is the bed? The uncle, how much money me send you, uncle?
Nicki, me no remember. No, me tell you, me about the things them. And me get to a room and me have to run from this out of Rockford. Man coming upon me and me have to run from out there, so.
So why would people keep on sending you money, Derrick?
I get a room with a Rockford. I'm have left out there.
So Derrick, oh, this a situation. 2 years now, Nicki I try to fix the situation. Oh, coming up fixing and no we at all. What's going on? Them a rob you? What?
Nobody not really rob me. You see, time I get a place, people, me all that tell people, people go tell people say, oh, me a Ray, you know that already, so me a Batty man, and the man, and the place of me cancer in the community.
You want me to tell you something? It's just like what Nicki said, it's the people you have around you, because I am telling you, there is places in Jamaica where you can have a nice dwelling to live and your sexual orientation has nothing to do with it. There's a lot of people down there that have their dwelling. You understand me? It's just for you to find you a nice little apartment somewhere, and it's the people you have around you. You need to.
Cash Millie said him use the money for trick pan young ninjas.
I'm talking to them one time. I'm talking to them one because I'm not
Morgan, Derrick, are you buying dick? Is you buying some penis? Is you doing that?
Ooh.
Buy a penis, I'm pretty done. Me, are you idiot?
So they must talk about this penis buying. It's crazy.
Yeah, people keep talking about that. Uncle, did you buy any penis with the money I sent you?
Look here now, Nicki. I saw them standing talking to me. I'm not idiot, I'm not mascot. I'm talking to them one time.
You must say true, Nicki. Jesus Christ. When you got to buy penis, Morgan? Derrick, stop it, man. You're a nice man, you know. You don't need to feed no boy to touch you. That's crazy.
No, pretty no, nothing about me. No, nothing about me.
That's why I ask you, Uncle. Uncle, have you ever paid for any penis with the money me I send you? Forget up your house and your thing them and your furniture them.
Nicki, look here now. Me a big somebody. Me a big somebody. Me never come tell a lie. But I was penis. People can put me. Can make me hear me. I say, I was penis. I was penis.
Because I don't want to disrespect Uncle.
Right, no.
Uncle, did you ever use the money to hang out with your friends and chill out with friends in the guest house?
Right.
No, not at all. No, not at all.
Okay, so meaning you have a little savings then?
Me have a little savings, but me never come to tell. I come and go tell people my business.
Right. I know you're not fool.
Me never come and tell about my business.
So when I see that those savings are being put to good use, then maybe I will start give you back until you learn how to manage. See, people think that having money means that they'll know how to manage it. If a person cannot manage money, even when if they get millions of dollars, it will all be gone. Because number one, first, you have to learn how to manage money.
True. That's the first thing. Money management is first. What comes first? Priorities. You understand what I say? With money, you think about priorities first. Yeah? Priorities. Love you. So Derrick, let me ask you a question. If you were to say your savings right now, right? You know, say, me have a couple link at Jamaica, we can get you a nice like, apartment for rent. You got your savings, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Right now, we gonna look about one word here, but you pretend one nice.
Don't worry yourself, man. Me, remember say me here there and I see him flag, you know. So me know a couple people will like we flag.
So see, Pretty Don could help you, Derrick. You see, and if you have the money that I sent you, and they said Jada sent you money.
Yeah.
You should have. Pretty Don could now
Me
help
can make
you.
them call if you today, right now.
So
as I
me
come
want
off
to
of
know if a liar tell uncle, because me go find out, and if me find out, that's when me gonna know enough to give you no more.
No, Pretty than me have two friends of foreign. Two friends of foreign. Them, me ever save my little something, my little things to them.
Okay, so you make them all the money for you.
Yeah, anytime I get anything of them always.
Okay, that's great because you know you have to do that, you know, because you don't want to have the money upon you. So I'm glad you do that.
And she come say Derrick, I'm Pretty than want to go up on our life right now. How much time they call me?
Yeah, man, I'm glad for that, man. You look like you have some really nice people around here. What me want you to do now, me want you to get your place so people can stop take advantage of you.
Right.